What if everything you knew about the Fortuner was about to change forever? Imagine a redesign so bold Toyota kept it hidden until now. But wait, the real shock is coming. Today we uncover the all-new 2026 Fortuner Hybrid exposed with new features finally revealed. Are you ready to see what Toyota has been hiding? Let's begin with the exterior because this is where the transformation hits you first. The 2026 Fortuner Hybrid arrives with sharper lines, a stronger stance, and a completely new attitude. But wait until you see how these details reshape the entire SUV. Coming next, we explore what makes this new design so striking. The redesigned front fascia, new LED signature, sculpted bodywork, and aerodynamic improvements make the Fortuner look more powerful than ever. Every angle feels more modern and confident. But wait, the real shock is still ahead. Stay tuned as we reveal the boldest exterior upgrade Toyota has introduced so far. Now step inside because the interior delivers an even bigger surprise. The 2026 Fortuner Hybrid brings a premium and futuristic cabin with a new layout and upgraded comfort. But wait until you see the interior enhancements coming next. Don't miss how Toyota blends technology with elevated refinement. The larger infotainment screen, digital instrument cluster, refined seating, and upgraded materials bring a new level of sophistication. Everything feels more intuitive and modern. But wait, the real shock is how Toyota improved practicality and tech integration. Stay tuned for the features that redefine the Fortuner experience. Now let's move to the hybrid powertrain because this is where the Fortuner takes a major step forward. The 2026 model promises smoother power delivery and improved efficiency. But wait, there is more coming next. Don't miss how this hybrid system enhances both everyday driving and tough conditions. With updated suspension, refined steering, and smarter driving modes, the Fortuner Hybrid feels more stable, capable, and responsive. It handles rough roads with confidence while staying smooth in the city. But wait, the real shock is how balanced this new hybrid setup feels. Stay tuned for the performance gains ahead. Now here is the part many have been waiting for: the price and market position. With all these upgrades, Toyota aims to move the Fortuner Hybrid into a new segment. Stay tuned because the price will shock you. Coming next, we reveal how this model stands against the competition in 2026. To truly appreciate this redesign, we look at the Fortuner's legacy, known for durability, reliability, and global success. But wait, the 2026 version advances this heritage with bold innovation. Don't miss how Toyota keeps the spirit alive while pushing into the future with a hybrid evolution. The all-new 2026 Fortuner Hybrid exposed is more than an update, it is a powerful new direction for Toyota's SUV lineup. But wait, because more breakthroughs are coming soon. If you love SUVs, don't miss what is coming next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it. Stay tuned for the next big reveal.